My grandparents spoiled me a lot even though the, my grandmother name is Carmen Zapata Mendoza and 7 years old, and my grandfather name is Enrique Hernández Tenorio and 7 years. Current separate but what caused any problems or discomfort, even though they don't say outer anymore. My parents are a great source of motivation for me behaving so much with what later and have supported me in everything. Have a good relationship. My mother always helped or listened to problems. Although I temporarily and mother is pressured and yet home. And my dad was listening to in show. Her name is Ali Berenice Hernandez Zapata. He don't always talk me never know to start or don't there is no is day. When both there was movie or listen music it was a easy to talk over a specific topic perhaps because other more safe taste in everything like food, movies and music. His name is Gerardo Casiano Ocaña. Mother is 41 years old and my father is 17. I have two brothers, two brothers. The first one is last year hockey teacher named Emilio Enrique Hernandez we talk and other times. Tom said hello, kind of stranger because some die when don't even remember the other existed, and others die well like friends joking around or talking about she in a second on is my younger brother is a grade of kindergarten. He is 5 years old. His name is Mateo Andres Casiano Hernandez. Es mi favorito and there was street we spend time in even though I always time should talk to I time every time me to pay attention to him when I'm busy.